Have you ever met someone so stubborn that he literally moved into his office because he couldn't get a ride home? And what happens when a NASA Mars rover gets stuck in a ditch because of one terrible decision? Well, that's just the beginning of the chaos in this hilarious Big Bang Theory episode. The episode kicks off with Sheldon facing a transportation crisis. Leonard is busy working nights on an important experiment, which means he can no longer drive Sheldon around. For most people, taking the bus would be an easy solution. But this is Sheldon Cooper we're talking about. After getting kicked off a bus for strapping himself to the seat with bungee cords, Sheldon decides the only logical solution is to start living at work. Soon, Sheldon is sleeping in his office and showering in the radiation lab, leaving his coworkers completely confused. Just when you think things can't get any crazier, Howard creates a disaster of his own. Trying to impress a girl, Howard sneaks her into the Mars rover control room. Unfortunately, that's the exact moment the Mars rover gets stuck in a ditch on Mars. Now Howard has two problems: saving a multimillion-dollar space project and making sure nobody discovers he brought an unauthorized guest into a highly restricted area. Meanwhile, the gang gets pulled into one of the most ridiculous debates ever. What starts as a simple discussion about Superman's costume turns into a full-scale argument involving Kryptonian sweat, indestructible stains, and imaginary dry cleaners from another planet. It's exactly the kind of nerdy conversation that only this group could have. The episode also gives Raj a rare moment in the spotlight. After making an important astronomical discovery, he's selected for a prestigious 30 under 30 feature. While everyone should be celebrating his achievement, Sheldon somehow manages to turn the conversation into another argument. Instead of congratulating Raj, he questions the entire selection process. Else,